Using Venmo for fundraising is a convenient and effective way to collect donations for a cause or event. To get started, you need to have a Venmo account, which you can create by downloading the Venmo app and following the sign-up process. Once you have a Venmo account, you can start a fundraiser by creating a Venmo fundraiser page. This page will allow you to share your story, set a fundraising goal, and track your progress. You can also add a photo or video to your page to make it more engaging. To create a fundraiser page, open the Venmo app and tap on the menu icon. Then select Create a Fundraiser. Enter the name of your fundraiser, the amount you want to raise, and a brief description of your cause. You can also add a photo or video to make your page more engaging. After setting up your fundraiser page, you can share it with your friends and family by sending them a link to your page. You can also share your page on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter to reach a wider audience. When someone donates to your fundraiser, the money will be transferred directly to your Venmo account. It is also important to note that Venmo charges a small fee for each transaction, so you will need to factor this into your fundraising goal. Additionally, you can use Venmo's built-in features to track your progress and send updates to your donors. This will help you stay organized and keep your donors informed about your progress. Best practices for using Venmo for fundraising include setting a clear and achievable fundraising goal, being transparent about how the funds will be used, and expressing gratitude to your donors. You should also keep your donors updated on your progress and let them know how their donations are making a difference. Overall, using Venmo for fundraising is a simple and effective way to collect donations for a cause or event. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful fundraiser and reach your fundraising goal.